Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, just the other day, or maybe yesterday, on the Weather Channel and the local news, they talk about a threat of a tropical depression that would climb up the Florida coast, coming from south to north, which means, somewhere from the Keys coming up towards Jacksonville or towards Pensacola. That threat dissipated, but we got so many calls. I mean, we are so busy. People get so terrified of hurricanes, tropical depressions. So we're actually out here at a job that we installed before Irma. If you remember Hurricane Matthew, there's a lot of them, several years ago. And this runs about 250 feet from where I'm standing all the way to the backyard, and there is a sump pump back there that keeps the backyard dry. It's over a half acre. I've put this video up there for you many times. This stuff works great. But they want us to go ahead and clean that line, so I went ahead and made today all about drain cleaning. We're going to do the mini jet, and if we need to, of course, we will use our Spartan 1065. That's the sewer and drain cleaning machine. But I really want to use this mini jet to see how well it actually works. There may be some roots in this system, but mostly the people are just scared. And my advice to everyone is maintain your systems. So let's get started. Okay, so this is where their line discharges right here. I brought the shovel out just in case I needed to work on the area, but this line runs about 250 feet back to the back, and there's a sump pump back there. There's a half acre of space back there. They've got French drains and catch basins that lead to the sump pump. Sump pump lifts it up and sends it out here to the swell. And I've got the power washer here, pressure washer, and this is our mini jet. We use this quite frequently. We clean a lot of channel drains is really what we use it for. The micro channel drain, that's the drain that runs around the pool patio, the lanai. And those things get so full of sand and debris that you really need to have a mini jet to clean it. But we're going to go ahead. This is a 100-foot hose, and we're going to send it 100 feet. If we need to dig it up, we will, but we'll test it. Basically, I can see that this line is open. They just don't really maintain it right here at the end, but you can see where water's been coming out. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the pressure washer, stick our mini jet in there. The mini jet has, I know it's really hard to see them, but the mini jet, if I can focus on it, it has jets that spray out the back, and it has a jet that sprays out the front. The front one cuts debris, and the back one actually pulls this cable, this hose, down through the line. Very powerful, very fast. It does make a little mess out here, but hey, no big worries. Let's go ahead and get started. That was a real quick 100 feet. Let's pull it back and take a look. Yeah, that mini jet, it really does work good to clean out, debris that's in your French drain, your downspout drain, floor drain, sewer line, everything. It works really good. Let's pull it on back again and check that sump pump. I'm pretty sure we got this open. see how quick and easy it really is to maintain your system. For the DIYer, you can order those little mini jets online. We actually drilled ours and made our own, but they're available online. I'm sure they're only 30 or 40 bucks, and you can save a whole lot of money. One of the cool things that we are going to try when we have more time, can you see the culvert pipe? They asked me to try to clean that, and I think I can actually do that. I think I can do that with the jet. As big as that is, that's 18-inch culvert, and I think that jet will clean it. So, but I don't have time today, so we'll come back and make another video for that. Real quick note, I know everybody that watches our videos, they're probably tired of this, but don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait for that hurricane or that big storm that's going to knock that power out and flood your whole yard and your foundation, your crawl space. Get on the schedule. Take care of the problem before it happens. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.